This is called To Abundance, written by Mpilontle Zuke. Every day is like an orange. Imagine every day as an orange God placed in your hand. Inside it is sweetness, nourishment, strength, and blessing. But the juice will not come out on its own. You must squeeze the orange. You squeeze the day through intention. You squeeze the day through gratitude. You squeeze the day through obedience. You squeeze the day through purpose. If you leave an orange untouched, the juice stays locked inside. If you leave a day unused, the blessing stayed locked inside. You must squeeze every drop of purpose out of the day God gives you. Because once the sun sets, the orange is gone. A new one will come tomorrow. But today's juice cannot be recovered.